Alright, good morning. I am going to show you guys how to turn in your PowerPoints on Schoology. Once again, I'm filming in my first period class, +1 to all of you because you're silent right now. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is I'm going to click Unit 2 Design Cycle. Then I'm going to click today's dates. Now you're going to see where it says Turn in PowerPoint here. I'm going to click that. Then I'm going to click Submit Assignment. Then I need to find my files. So I have a PowerPoint on my desktop. So I'm going to click the file that it is in. Alright, here we go. That is where you find it. So I click the PowerPoint, then I click Open, then I click Submit. And that's all you have to do. Alright.